Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Roblox account password. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'll be doing this on the web version of Roblox, but you can follow along using any platform. The buttons will be the same, however, they might just be in different places. Launch Roblox or head to roblox.com in a web browser and log in to your account. Now click the Settings button from the top right. If you are on mobile, get to Settings by tapping the three dots at the bottom right and then selecting Settings. You can find your password settings in the Account Info tab in your settings. Tap the Change Password button. You will need to enter your current password followed by your new password. Click Update once that's done. Your Roblox account password has now been changed, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.